Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka pertai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel.
אנחנו נמצאים ביממה השלישית של מבצע עם כלבי.
We are in the third day of Operation Rising Lion, and are engaged in both defense and offense operations. We are not pausing for a moment. Beginning at 22:45 and throughout the night, Israeli Air Force aircraft continue to strike more than 80 targets across Tehran. The aircraft operated via the aerial corridor we paved to the center of Iran, in parallel to strikes in Yemen. The Israeli Air Force strikes are based on a pre-planned operational plans and focus on targeting nuclear facilities and the Iranian regime's ability to produce nuclear weapons. You can see on the screen the selected and strategic targets that were struck last night. As you can see, we struck the nuclear command center of the Iranian regime, known as the SBND headquarters in Tehran. In addition, we struck research and development sites used for the production of raw materials and laboratories for the development of nuclear weapons. We also struck fuel depots near Tehran that support Iranian military infrastructure. So far, over 250 targets and more than 720 components have been struck. Even at this hour, we are continuing to strike dozens more targets in Tehran. We are deepening the damage to the nuclear program and to military capabilities, in order to disrupt and reduce the threat to the Israeli home front. During the night, approximately 60 surface-to-surface missiles and dozens of unmanned aerial vehicles were launched. They were launched directly from Iranian and Yemeni territory towards cities and towns in Israel's home front. Aerial defense systems operated to detect and intercept launched threats, but the defense is not hermetic. During the night, there were several direct hits in various locations in the north and central of the country, most of them in the heart of civilian neighborhoods. This is the nature of the Iranian terror regime. We target military infrastructure, and they, as usual, strike innocent civilians. As a result of the hits, 10 civilians were killed and many were injured. I want to send condolences to the families and wish a speedy recovery to all the wounded. Even at this hour, the Search and Rescue Brigade of the Home Front Division, in full coordination with the Israeli police, Megan David and the fire and rescue services, continue to operate at the impact site in the city of Baghdad and in other locations, with the mission of saving lives and locating and rescuing the missing. We have seen clear evidence in recent days that those who were in protected areas in accordance with the Home Front Command instructions were not harmed. I emphasize, the Iranian strikes continue. In the coming days, further strikes and impacts may occur. I urge you, continue to act responsibly and adhere to the Home Front Command's guidelines. In recent days, the behavior of the public is additional evidence that these guidelines save lives. I am aware of the difficulties families face, especially children, remaining for long hours in protected spaces, but entering a protected space according to the instructions saves lives. It is important to explain this to all family members. The war continues on multiple fronts simultaneously. Last night, while the strikes in Iran, the Israeli Air Force fighter jets took off from Israeli territory at a distance of over 2,000 kilometers, also struck in Shna area. We will provide updates on the results of the strike. Even as we operate in Iran, we will continue to take action against anyone who threatens the state of Israel. IDF soldiers continue to operate in the Gaza Strip as part of Operation Gideon's Chariots. Our forces are operating with courage and bravery throughout the Gaza Strip. This morning, we announced the death of Sergeant First Class, Res. Nongbam, of blessed memory, an outstanding squad commander in the KIWEI brigade. Nongbam fell yesterday in combat in the Gaza Strip. We extend our condolences to the family